Alright, number 5 says here, a body starts from rest and moves with uniform acceleration of 6 meters per second square. What distance does it cover in the third second? I believe we've done something similar like this, probably in the first or the second example. If you can do this, pause this video, attempt it, and you come back, let us see if you're right. Okay, now from this here, our acceleration is given as 6 meters per second square. Now since it's starting from rest, our u is going to be 0. Okay, now what distance does it cover in the third second? Now in the third second, it means we are looking for the distance is covered within the third and the second. The third and the second second. Right. So here s equals to ut plus at squared all over 2. Now we're going to make use of this equation here. Okay, so and the time here is written, I said it's within the third and the second. All right, so and our u here is 0, which implies the whole of the product of ut will be 0. So our s will now be a, then here you have a t for the third second square minus t for the second squared all over 2. So to this end, our a, which is acceleration, that will be 6, then into our third second, that will be 3 raised to the power of 2 minus 2 raised to the power of 2 all over 2. So we end up having 6. Here will be 9 minus 4, which will give us what? 5. Okay, so to that end, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 3. So we end up having 3 times 5, which will give us what? 15 meters. Okay, A, the final answer. All right, thank you.